Alright, this is the first test, and I'm an idiot because I had the switch off, and I was wondering why it didn't work. Alright, transform at 0 volts, turn it on. Right, this transformer has main voltage. Oh, there's oscillation. There's oscillation. Good, good. Is it enough to excite a fluorescent? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, it's a bit weak. 10x. Alright. 30 volts. Let's see. No breakout. Very acquisite. It's on half voltage. It's not breaking out. Let me get a big screwdriver. Let me try it out. There is something. Do I have the primary backwards? That would be new. Should... It could be that the primary is backwards. What is it? It's not even hot. I don't know. Didn't work really well. Well, it definitely was conducting, that's something. Didn't arc at 3 kilovolts. Well, I need to do some research. I think everything is wired up correctly. I mean, there is oscillation, just no breakout, which is weird. Let me switch primary connections.